Hey y'all, today we're checking out SPYPOINT's new Flex M cellular trail camera, available now in a twin pack. This is a great option for hunters, outdoor enthusiasts, or anyone needing remote surveillance. This twin pack comes with two cameras, each offering 28 megapixel photos and 720p videos with sound. The night vision is fantastic, allowing for up to 90 feet of detection, which really helps when you're tracking wildlife after dark. Setup is a breeze thanks to the included mounting straps and easy to attach adjustable antenna. These cameras are IP65 rated, meaning they're tough enough to handle harsh outdoor conditions. The cameras feature a 0.4 second trigger speed and a 90-foot detection range, so nothing gets past them, day or night, thanks to infrared flash. They also support time-lapse and time-lapse plus mode for capturing more broader activity. What really sets these cameras apart and why I bought them to begin with is their Dual-Sim LTE connectivity. Each camera comes with dual SIMs, so no matter where you are, these cameras are going to connect to all major carriers automatically. You don't have to worry about coverage, trying to figure out what carrier works for you in what area. With the SPYPOINT app, you can view everything remotely. The app lets you access images, videos, and even adjust settings right from your phone. It's incredibly user-friendly and keeps you updated whether you're tracking wildlife or just monitoring your property. So if you're in the market for reliable, affordable cellular trail cameras, the SPYPOINT Flex M Twin Pack delivers solid features at an unbeatable price. Definitely check them out.